We're back on Chesil on an absolutely wild July afternoon. It's got to be blowing 25 mile an hour southerly straight in. Horrible. But we're down here, so we'll give it our best shot. I'll come down with Chris as usual. My eldest son Sam and his friends Zach and Jack with us. They're currently struggling to get a tent up. Surprised. Just about managing the whole bottom at the moment. Hopefully the wind's going to abate a bit later on. Fishing the usual. Lug and rag, typically squid. Can't get out very far today. Yeah. Well, I hope you can hear me over the sound of the waves. It's 5:15 in the morning and it's been windy all night. I mean, it's been gusting up to, I don't know, 25 miles an hour. Anyway, since you left us yesterday afternoon, things have moved on. Surprisingly, despite the rough sea, there were loads of mackerel chasing whitebait very close. So we managed to catch lots of mackerel for bait, and then just before it got dark, Sam caught a lovely bass, about £5 on rag and squid, fairly close. Apologies I didn't get to get it on the GoPro, I was further down the beach at the time. And then, as darkness fell, we got the usuals, the dogfish, the eels and the pout. So I put a mackerel head on quite close, and at midnight I had a nice bass about the same size as Sam's. And while I was landing that, both Sam and Zach caught a nice smooth hound, again on rag and squid. Apologies, didn't get any live action shots, but the GoPro doesn't really work in the dark. But I've got some pictures here to show you. But the action didn't stop there. I had a smooth hound. Chris had 2 bass, again on mackerel head close in, about 3 pounds each. And then at 2:30, I had a screeching run, pulled the tripod over, and was lucky enough to land a lovely bass of 7¼ pounds. And we've had no further action. All the bass have gone back. How long we're going to leave it this morning, I'm not sure. I've still got a close in rod, and I've put another rod out there with a lug and squid on it. The boys have only got 1 tent standing. 2 have been destroyed in the night. I had the lovely sight about half an hour ago going down there, and they're all 3 of them lined up like peas in a pod. Anyway, we're going to give it another couple of hours at least and see what happens. Well, that was Chris's sleeping quarters for the night. And I can tell you for one thing, he had an uncomfortable night. I think it... Tremendous bite on this rod just now. Pulled the rod over. Can only be a smooth hound. Oh. It's got to be a smoothie, isn't it?
Yeah. Take the progress over.
Yeah.
You hoped it was the other one.
I did hope it, I did. I'm not going to complain. It's quite a good fish, I think. Oh! He's off.
Oh, he's off. Damn, just give him the net. Okay.
Look at those birds, the way they just hang in the air there. It's amazing, isn't it? That was close. Whoa! He's off. Bugger. That was probably a bass. Yeah, I mean, considering the weather conditions, it's been quite good, hasn't it? There've been a lot of bass about though, haven't there? I'm not far out. No. Few smoothies. It's wild out there, but there's fish to be had. And all fairly close. 50 yards maybe? No more than that. Let's see this. I don't know what this is. A bass maybe? Yeah. That's ridiculous. That was on a strip of mackerel. I've got 2 mackerel on a strip of mackerel. My goodness me. It's absolutely crazy at the moment. If I put on a side of mackerel, I catch mackerel. I had 2 mackerel on my pennel. I took a 5-inch long strip of mackerel. So I'll put a whole squid on the right hand rod now to try and stop them that, but I wouldn't be surprised to catch one on it. There's fish out there still. She thought we were going to get wet. I said, well, it hasn't stopped blowing, but at least it has, but well, just spray, isn't it? Just spray. But yeah, no, 8 species, that's not bad, is it? Yeah. Still got 5 minutes left. Might be another one. So that's it for another episode. We're going to try and find somewhere in Bridport to have a breakfast. It's not very July weather, it's felt like October all the time. But we persevered, we caught some absolutely stonking bass, some lovely smoothound, so many mackerel, scad, dogfish, pouts, eels. Chris had a small undulate in the night. Yeah, so we've done really well. Hopefully when we come next time it won't be quite as challenging, but the fish are there, they're in close and they're feeding. And the arrival of the whitebait is important because it does bring the predators, the mackerel and the bass in behind them. So well done, the whitebait. So thanks for watching, and hopefully see you again soon. Cheers for now.